Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Code Buddy. I hope you are doing extremely well and your placement preparation is also going well. Well guys, first of all, if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed this channel till now, then do consider subscribing this channel as this really motivates me to make more such content for you and for your placement preparation. Also guys, you can join our Telegram community. The link for the same is given in the description box. And from there, you can access the free resources and study material for your placement preparation. Right, so let's start with the video now. In this video, we are going to see some recently asked common applications and MS Office questions, cloud and network security questions, and some pseudo codes as well. So make sure to watch the video till the very end and make sure to like the video if you like it. Okay, so let's start with the video. So this is the very first question. First of all, let me take the pen. And guys, I am suffering from fever, cold and cough. So there can be a little bit voice issue. So please try to adjust. Okay, let's start. In Google search, if you search for a word or phrase, which among the following formats will the results be provided in? Images, videos, or locations. So if you search for a word or for a phrase, then Google will provide you the result in images as well, videos too, and location too, right? Otherwise, you can do the practical, right? So you will find the images, you will find the videos, and you will find the relevant locations as well. How locations? Suppose you find a restaurant near me. So locations will be provided to you. This is how, right? And if you find cat images, then cat images will be provided to you. Or if you try to find out Accenture coding questions or something other, then might be video can be showed to you, right? So Google can also suggest you the videos relevant to your query, right? So this is how images, videos, and locations all are the correct option over here. So option number A, that means 1, 2, and 3 is the correct answer, right? So let's move on to the next question. Arrange the following in the descending order of memory: TB, GB, KB, MB. Okay, so among all, KB is the smallest unit, right? So KB is the smallest unit, and you have to arrange them in descending order, right? So TB, that means 1000 GB. TB means 1000 GB. So TB is the largest size here. So this is 1. GB is the 1000 MB, right? So then GB, that means 2, and then 4 MB, right? MB. So this should be the correct arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Just a minute. No, sorry. 1, 2, 4, 3. This should be the correct arrangement. So 1, 2, 4, 3. Option number C will be the correct answer over here. I hope it makes sense. I hope it is clear to you. So let's move on to the next question now. The next question is, in MS PowerPoint, you can set the trigger to start an animation as a click on an object or media playback reaches a bookmark. So both A and B, right? There is my cursor. Both A and B will be the correct answer over here. In MS PowerPoint, you can set the trigger to start an animation as a click on an object or media playback reaches a bookmark, right? So let's move on to the next question. Next question is, which of the following actions you can perform by right clicking on a folder? So guys, you can do a practical now, right? So go on your desktop and right click on any folder, then you will see send to option is there, rename option is there, and also properties option is there as well. Not checking the properties, but yeah, of course, properties option is there. So 1, 2, and 3 will be the correct answer over here. This question is little bit tricky, but when you click on a folder and then when you right click on a folder, then you will see that send to option is there, rename option is there, and only properties option is there, but not check the properties. But when you click the properties, then you can check the properties. So this is how the option number D, 1, 2, and 3 should be the correct answer, right? So let's move on to the next question. The next question is, in MS Word, which of the following format option is used to clear all formatting of the text? So there are lots of options, and in the options, there are only 4 options: 24, 26, 25, and 27. So only one will be the correct. Now you have to find out from here 24, 25, 26, and 27, right? So among all these four options, which option is the correct to clear all the formatting of the text? So when you go into your MS Word, you will see that at this 24, when you click on this, when you hover on this, you will see that there is a text that is clear formatting, right? There is a text that is clear formatting, and this is used to clear all the formatting. So option number 24, that means option number A will be the correct answer over here, right? I hope it makes sense. So let's move on to the next question now. Next question is, in MS PowerPoint, which of the following is used to set a special start condition for an animation? So to start a special condition for an animation, we use trigger. In MS PowerPoint, we use trigger, right? So let's move on to the next question. Next question is, in MS Word, which of the following should you use to add additional information about something in your document at the end of the page? So this is a very easy question. At the end of the page, if you want to add some additional information in your document, so you will add the footnotes, right? So option number D, footnotes will be the correct answer over here. Let's move on to the next question. In order to open the task manager, you should use Control plus Shift plus Escape. You can do practical as of now, right? So Control plus Shift plus Escape key, and you will find the task manager has been opened, right? So let's move on to the next question. Next questions are from network and cloud security. So the question is, presentation layer of the OSI reference model translates data, encrypts data, or compress data. So in the OSI model, presentation layer works like a translator, right? Translator, and then it compresses the data. So option number 1 and 3 are correct. So the option should be 1 and 3. That means option number B is correct over here. Presentation layer is used to translate data and then compress the data, right? So let's move on to the next question. Next question is, SYN, flood, and Smurf attacks happens on which of the following layer of OSI model? So these attacks are happens on the transport layer only, right? So let's move on to the next question. Next question, which of the following is a network security protocol ideal for protecting sensitive data and securing internet connections? So this is SSL. That means secure socket layer. SSL is secure socket layer, right? And it ensures the sensitive data and securing internet connections. So let's move on to the next question. Which of the following cloud metrics shown the mean time between failures? That means MTBF. So reliability metrics. Reliability metrics shows the mean time between failures. Let's move on to the next question. In Google Cloud Compute Engine, which of the following are the prerequisite to be able to create a VM instance? Project, billing account, Compute Engine API should be enabled. Project, billing account, and Compute Engine's API should be enabled. All of the three are necessary to create a VM instance, right? So yeah, let's move on to the next question. And next question, you have to tell in the comment section. Find out the number of broadcast domains in the given network. This is a hub, and this is joined with some PCs. Okay, there are 4 PCs, and this is the hub. Now you have to tell the number of broadcast domains in the given network, right? So let's move on to the next question. Next question is, which of the following features are provided in PaaS model of cloud computing? Built-in security, scalability, web services interfaces. All of the three. Option number A, all of the three are provided in PaaS model of cloud computing. Built-in security, scalability, and web services interfaces. Now, guys, see, if you see that this question is from cloud computing and from PaaS model, then make sure to have a look on PaaS model. At least a little bit look on PaaS model. It might be helpful for you. It might be a case that question is come in some another language. Then you will be able to solve the question, right? So make sure to have a little bit look on PaaS model. Make sure to have a little bit look on scalability, web services interfaces. All the things I cannot tell in one video, right? So you have to make sure that you are putting efforts to crack your examination. whenever you see some new term, whenever you see some new subject or something else, some new is coming that you are not familiar with, then make sure to search it on YouTube. You will find something relevant, and then from there you can prepare, right? So yeah, let's move on to the next questions. Next questions are from pseudocodes now. Now here are three integers p, q, r, and we are assigning some values to them, right? And here we are checking for a condition if 4 is less than q. So q value is 2, so the condition is false, right? So 4 is less than 2, this condition is false, we will jump. So from here we will jump out of the if part, and at this line number 11, we have to update the value of r by adding 6 plus p value was 4 only, so it will be 10. So r value this time is 10, and at the line number 12 we need to print p plus q plus r. P value was 4, Q value was 2, plus R value has been updated to 10. So it will become 10 plus 4 is 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 will be the correct answer. And I observed that in Accenture, pseudocodes are coming of like basic level, and mostly the bitwise operation based pseudocodes are coming frequent, right? So make sure to be prepared with bitwise operations. Next question is, here are three integers and we are setting some values to them. Now here we are checking a condition. If a is greater than b, that means 5 is greater than 5, and a and c, and this is the bitwise operator, right? If single end is there, that means it is a bitwise operator. So a value is 5 and c value is also 5 is less than b value is also 5. So as we can see here that this is the double end, that means this is a logical operator. So if both the conditions are going to be true, then only the whole if condition will become true. And from here we can see that 5 is not greater than 5, right? Because it is equal to 5, so this will return a 0. And if it is returning a 0, so this condition cannot be true, right? As this is the logical end. So we don't need to check further whether it is true or not, okay? Because we are getting here 0, so we will not check further, and we will out of the if part. So when we out of the if part, so we will jump out at here at the line number 6, and what we will do, we will again perform some operations, and we will check for a condition c plus a, that means c is 5 and a is also 5, so it will become 10. 10 is less than a minus c, that means 5 minus 5 is less than 0, right? That means 10 is less than 0, so this condition is again false, it will return as 0, and we will out of the if part. So we will directly jump out here and print a plus b plus c. So a value was 5, b value was 5, plus c value was 5, so it will become 15. So 15, option number b will be the correct answer over here. So let's move on to the next question. The next question is, again there are three integers, we are setting some values to them, and at the line number 3 we are checking for some condition. If a is less than c, a value is 0 is less than c value is 7, okay? Or this is the logical or. A plus b, that means 0 plus 4 is less than 7. Alright, so 0 is less than 7, so this will return us 1. Or 0 plus 4, that means 4. 4 is less than 7. This will return us 1, right? So this will become 1 only, so the condition is true. We will come out here, we will update the value of b, that means 4 and c. So c value is 7. So this is bitwise end, and we need to convert them first in binary, then we will take the AND operator of AND operation of 4 and 7. So 4 binary is 0 1 0 0, and 7 binary is 8 4 2 1. 7 binary is 1 1 1. So let's find out the AND. Right, AND works like if both the conditions, if both the values are 1, then only it will return 1. So here it is 0, so it will return 0 0, and it will return 1 here and 0. So it will become 4 only. So this time b value is 4, right? Again we will check the condition in if a plus b, a value is 0 plus b value is 4 is greater than c minus a. C value is 7 minus a value is 0. Okay, so 4 is greater than 7. So this condition is false. We will jump out of the if part, right? We will jump out of the if part, and we will come here at line number 8. So from here C assign 1 plus 5 XOR C. So 1 plus 5 is in the parenthesis. So the highest precedence of this only. 6 XOR C. 6 XOR C. C value was 7. So first of all, let's find out the XOR operation of 6 and 7. So we need to convert them into binary. 0 1 1 0. This is the binary code of 6, and 0 1 1 1. This is the binary code of 7. Now how does XOR work? XOR work if either of the value is sorry. So XOR works like if both the values are same, then in that case it will return us 0, and if both the values are different, so in that case it will return us 1. So here we can see that both the values are different, so it will return us 1. Here same 0, same 0, same 0. So it will become 1. This time C value is 1. B value is 4, C value is 1. Okay. And we will come out of the if part. Now we will come here. C assign A plus B is or C. Again the highest precedence of parenthesis. So we will update the value of C. I am updating here. A plus B. A value was 0. B value was 4. XOR C. C value was 1. So it will become 4 XOR 1. So let's find out the XOR of 4 and 1. 0 1 0 0. This is the binary code of 4, and 0 0 0 1. This is the binary code of 1. So 0 1, both the values are different, so it will give us 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. So it will become 5, right? So C value is now 5. Okay, so let's come here and print A plus B plus C. So A value was 0 only, B value was 4, plus C value was 5. So it will become 9. So 9 will be the correct option over here, right? So yeah, let's move on to the next question. Next question is, there are three integers A, B, C, and we are setting some values to them. Here we are checking for a condition. If C plus A, that means 6 plus 2 is less than B minus C. B value is 8 minus C value is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 is less than 2. So this condition is false. We will directly jump out else. Okay, and in the else we are updating the value of B by taking 9 plus 9 and C. So 9 plus 9 will become 18. Why I am directly adding? Because this is in the parenthesis, and parenthesis have the highest precedence, right? And C. C value is 6, and this is the bitwise end. So we will first take the bitwise end of 18 and 6. So according to 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Let's convert them into binary. And 6 will be 1, 1, 0. Remaining places are 0. So let's find out the end. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So it will become 2 only. B value is now 2. Alright. Now, at the line number 7, we will check a condition if C plus B plus A. That means C value is 6, B value is 2, updated value, right? A value is also 2, is less than B and A and C. B value was 2 and A value was also 2 and C value was 6. Okay, so let's find out. 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10, is less than. So let's find out the end of these all. 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0. So it will become 2 only. 2 and 6 0 1 1 0. So let's find out 0 1 0 0. So it will become 2 only. 2. 10 is less than 2. So the condition is false. We will directly jump out here in the else part. We will update the value of B by 12 and 3. So 12 value will be 1 1 0 0 and 3. So 3 will become 1 1 and it will become 0 0. So we need to find out the end. 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. So it will become 0 only. 0 plus A. A value was 2. So from here B value will become 2 only. Right? And we will come out of the if part. We will come out of the if part, and here we are updating the value of A. A will become B plus A. That means B value was 2 plus A value was also 2 XOR C. C value was 6. So it will become 4 XOR 6. So let's find out the XOR. 0, 1, 0, 0. It is the value of 4 in binary, and 0, 1, 1, 0. It is the binary code of 6. So let's find out the XOR. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it will become 2. This time A value is 2. from here we need to print a plus b plus c. So a value is 2, b value is also 2, plus c value is 6. So it will become 10. So 10 will be the correct answer over here, right? I hope it makes sense. I hope it is clear, right? So yeah, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.